Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to replace string trimmer line with 2 strings. This will be a dual feed tutorial. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, turn your string trimmer upside down. You'll see right here there's going to be a cap. You want to press on the sides to remove the cap. Let's push on both sides. We'll pop off the cap just like that, okay? Then you're going to have your spool. So pull out your spool just like that. Place your string trimmer to the side, okay? Now, on your spool, you're going to notice that there's going to be 2 sets of gaps. One gap is for each line in the string trimmer line. Makes sense, right? And then there's also going to be an arrow showing you which way to rewind the line, okay? So you want to get the right amount of stringer line, of string trimmer line, not stringer line, that doesn't make any sense, string trimmer line. I think I have probably about 8 feet here, and you want to get both ends sort of divided in half so you know where the halfway point is, okay? Grab that halfway point, you can release the ends, and I now have my halfway point. It's rough, it doesn't have to be exact. What you want to do is take that halfway point and you want to put it around those little hooks right there. You can see there's 2 little hooks right there, 2 openings you can see on that side there. You want to loop it around those 2 right there, okay? Just like that. Push it in there nice and tightly, just like that. Now what you want to do is look at the direction that it's telling you to rewind the line. Take both of those strings and you're going to rewind the line in that direction with 1 string in each of those gaps. So I'm taking both strings together, but one is in this gap over here, and the other one is going to be in this gap over here. So I have 1 string in each gap. As you can see right there, 1 string in each gap. I'm rewinding the line in the right direction. Okay, it only takes a quick minute. Rewind it. Try and get it nice and tightly. Make sure your strings don't get mixed up. If your strings cross over to the other side, you can just go backwards a bit and correct it. It's really not a big deal. Okay, now this is a skill that lots of people struggle with, myself included. I struggled with this before until I found this method out, and it works wonders, and it works really quickly too. So I'm rewinding the line. Okay, now I almost lost it right there. Now I'm getting close to the end, okay? When you're getting close to the end of your line, you want to look for those other openings right there. You can see those other openings right there. Those can be used to hold the trimmer, the trimmer line again, the string trimmer line. So I now put those ends through there. Take your spool, put it back in the string trimmer. Okay, it only goes in one way, just like that. I'm gonna, 1 line at a time, I'm gonna take 1 line out, okay? And with 1 line, I'm gonna put it through the opening over here. There's 1 opening over here. So I'm gonna take only 1 line out at a time. I'm gonna try and hold the trimmer like this so it makes it a little bit easier. So I'm taking out 1 line and I'm feeding it through the appropriate hole. It can get a little bit difficult if the hole is on an angle, okay? Okay, we're gonna try one more time. So what I'm gonna do, here's another little trick. Pull the spool out a little bit, not all the way. I'm gonna try and bring the camera down, make it a little bit easier on myself. There we go, even a little bit further down. All right, I'll show you the next little trick. Okay, so we're going to pull the spool out a little bit. Now we're going to take that line, just makes it a little bit easier to work with, and I'm going to feed it through the appropriate hole over there. Very simple. Okay, it's giving me some difficulty this time. I'm going to pull the spool out all the way, feed that one through there, make sure it stays nice and tightly. You don't want to lose all of the work that you just did. Okay, so I'm putting the spool back in like that. There's 1 line that's through, as you can see right there. And you're going to do the same thing with the other line. This one should be a little bit easier because I can maneuver the spool around. But basically, I'm going to be maneuvering the spool around. You can turn it, okay? Pulling that line out of there, and then we're going to feed it through this hole right here. That's it. There you go. We have restrung and replaced the line on a dual feed 2-string trimmer. Okay, so this is a string trimmer with 2 strings, dual feed string trimmer, replace the line. It's as easy as that. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.